What is going on? This is Black Apino, the Apple guy, and today I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing. Got me some cool stuff from Amazon, and basically what they are is we're going to pop it open. Sweet. One thing I got, this is known as an Osmo Mobile 2 base. So basically that is for my Osmo Mobile. So if you're not familiar with this, I have a video I did about a month and a half ago, probably 2 months ago, about these. It's a stabilizer for your iPhone. And I also got this is made by Dji. This is primarily for my iPad, and basically what this is it's a table stand, but I plan on using it as an iPad holder for my iPad. So this is what I got primarily for my iPad. Basically, you can bend it any way you want, and what I'm going to plan on doing is I plan on having this held up against my Mac, and then I will have my Mac sitting on whichever side I decide to choose. And I bought this all off of Amazon. This was only, I believe, 17 some odd dollars. They have one also made by 12 South, but it was like 53 bucks. But I didn't really need anything too fancy, just something that I needed that I could hold. And as you can see, this will easily be able to hold my iPad. As you can see, this here is the iPad Pro, or no, I'm sorry, this is the 6th gen iPad. So basically, as you can see, it just literally fits, and then I'm assuming this piece kind of just fits into here, and then all I gotta do is screw that in, and then I'll have it pinned up against my iPad or against my iMac. That way I can have just a little bit more room. I mean, I don't really need it on a stand anymore, and I can basically just kind of plug it up there, and I'll have it kind of sitting on the side. So it's actually pretty cool. I've been actually thinking about doing it a while back ago. Unfortunately, I just didn't have a desk that was big enough for me to do that, or the space. Now that I do, I will be doing that. So that is basically what I just wanted to do, was just kind of do a quick unboxing of some cool goodies I got from Amazon. This being one of them also. This is the Osmo Mobile base. This basically what it's designed to do is it's designed to hold the Osmo Mobile in its place, so that when you're doing recordings and you don't feel like wanting to hold it, you basically just, yep, the box is like, so when it comes out of the box, which understandably is rather in here, so I guess we'll just have to do it the old-fashioned way, which is open from the bottom. Then we just take this, we open it, if it will let me open it, which I usually find DJI boxes to be extremely hard to open sometimes. This is basically the base. So basically, it's got a screw on the bottom of it. You basically take your Osmo Mobile, and this will work only on the Osmo Mobile 2. As you can see, there is a screw under there, hole. It's a standard 3 point something millimeter, I think 3.25 millimeter base or hole. And you just take the bottom of the screw and you screw it onto this. Make sure it's nice and tight, and then that is basically how that works. As you can see, that is how that stands. So it's just basically having to switch it around so the Osmo's facing, so the control's facing forward. But that is basically what the base is for the Osmo Mobile. I've always wanted one of these. Makes it so much easier. That way I can take my little thingy, the carrying case, and leave it in there, since I hardly never leave it in there. I like to use it a lot. So, and if I need to grab it, it's just a simple unscrew and boom, that's it. So that is pretty much what I wanted to do. That is the unboxing of what I got. I will have a future video on the little stand thing that I got for my iPad later on. I've also got some other new content that I got coming up as well. I am going to be getting something really cool Friday possibly, and I will be doing a review on it. So if you want to know, stay tuned, like and subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, and that way you'll never miss a video. And again, it's Black Appeal the Apple Guy, and keep it real.